Good morning. Hello. 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 What's the vibe? What's happening? Alright, dude. I just woke up. It's like 30 degrees outside. I am trying to go work out. As you can see, my skin is looking more black and white than color these days. I'm gonna try to make a song today. Post it. Everyday shit with the same shit. No lame shit. Alright, so that's gonna be fun. And then 2 chains, and then we're gonna definitely lock in, show you how the day, show you the motion. It's gonna be lit. Day 2, peace. Gotta start the day off with a TikTok. Check me out.
Okay, yeah, flipping a bit like I'm motion. Shawty get wet like the ocean. Think it's my time that I blow it. He a square, little nigga ain't smoking. So we lacking a million a man. Watch how I turn to a man in a minute. You stick up a band, I ain't making a city. Can't hang with them niggas, they fuck up my image. She so fine, make the better decisions. Most niggas just wanna talk about money. Yeah, when it count up paper, I get.
I'm from California. Alright, so we are on our way. As you can see, it was dicier last night. There's a little field down here, right? I'm gonna go down to this little field, get some little work in. It's cause I'm a top premium artist. Don't mean I can't lock in on the football field.
I get it, did it by myself cause a bitch ain't waiting. Fuck, nigga. Yeah, all the money I get beneficial. Niggas live for the money an issue. They gon' grab out the money attention. Can't do it with you.
Right. It's unlikely, but fuck it. You don't stop getting better cause it's cold outside, the fuck.
Can't do it with you. Real nigga trick out of bitch shit. Then tell a nigga I ain't worried about shit. Fly shit brought to the pockets to the fun. She put on that new euphoria. Bump it, hop on that motherfucker, dump it.
Outside with it. Snowing his ass off.
Take pockets to the front, she put on that new euphoria. Bump it, hop on that motherfucker, dump it. Don't shit, yo, bitch gon' be on that nut shit. Only be fucking with women like turkey. Baby ain't giving them nigga, I ain't with it. You supposed to be living your life, I don't get it. So why you so worried about who I betray? Cause you know I'm that nigga, I'm starting to get niggas.
I can't lie. Being out here, bro, is so fucking nice. It's the attack of the fucking Seagulls. One wrong move and it's me versus 1,000 Seagulls. I don't know, I'm taking all of them niggas. Oh shit. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh shit. My feet numb. I forgot being cold ain't just being cold. Fucking, like what am I supposed to do? I got cleats on and shit, but I don't want to wear no big ass socks. But my toes, after a minute, I can't feel my toes. Oh, fucking hell. It's cold as shit. I mean, the Seagulls, they gone, but I ain't gonna lie, they still working. But I'm gonna make this little trip back to the crib. I'll meet y'all at home. Peace. Yeah, it got bad in here.
No, I ain't do shit, I was told. No, I didn't go home, but I'm home. Make it flip if you throw me a bone.
Look how much she see me doing, bro. Beautiful. First ever show. Look at the immaculateness. Coldest friend group you've ever seen. Not gonna lie. All right, back at it like we never left. On to the next song of the year. I'm not gonna lie, this cop xenology, my shit's about to be hidden. I've been trying to record for a minute now. Pro Tools won't go, bro. I've been downloaded the studio version 18 times. Why does it keep opening Pro Tools intro? I'm about to make a diss track. Tits. Yeah, girl. Say what's up. Another day, another dollar. This town ain't big enough for the both of us. Finally got the studio going. I finally finished the song. Now we gotta hang with guests.
The song is pretty cool.
The song is pretty cool.
It's really good, actually.
If you haven't heard it in the video yet, here it is now.
By myself, I ain't never alone. Jesus Christ just keeping me going. If you ever got, you forget when you blown.
We're done with that. Moving on to new things. I probably should have something for y'all tonight. If not, then fuck you. But we'll see.
I don't care for the pains that shit get annoying. I'm seeing a vision, I'm living the moment. They ain't putting no work and they wanted a job. By myself, I ain't never alone. Jesus Christ just keeping me going. If you ever got, you forget when you ever got, you forget when you blown. I don't care for the pains that shit get annoying. I'm seeing a vision, I'm living the moment.